AI is changing everything and it's moving fast. If you've been on social media lately, you've probably seen people saying your job is next or AI is going to replace all of us. But here's the real story. Not every job can be replaced by AI. In fact, some careers are actually growing because of AI, not being taken away. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 jobs in South Africa that AI can't replace and why these jobs are still safe, still needed, and still human, even with all the tech changes. If you've been feeling worried about your future, this video will give you a bit of peace and direction. If you are watching this and you are getting value, hit that subscribe button because the truth is someone out there is feeling stuck right now and needs this information, and by subscribing you help them find it. Plus, you'll get real tools every week to help you grow and get hired faster in South Africa. Let's be honest, the job market is scary right now. Companies are letting people go. You've got ChatGPT writing emails, creating content, even doing basic coding. It's easy to feel like, what's the point? Everything has been taken over. I felt the same way for a while until I looked deeper. Yes, AI is powerful, but it has limits. It can't feel. It doesn't build real trust with people. It doesn't understand our human side. That's why there are still jobs it can't fully take over, especially here in South Africa, where connection, culture, and context matter so much. A lot of people think they are competing with AI, but you are not. You are still competing with other people, and what makes you stand out is being human. And let me say this clearly, the real danger is not AI taking your job. The real danger is someone else using AI better than you, while also using the same people skills that tech can't copy. So instead of stressing, let's look at where your human skills shine. Number 1, teaching and early childhood education. AI can give facts. It can answer questions, but it can't notice when a child is struggling. It can't comfort a student who's having a bad day. And it definitely can't give care, patience, and real connection like a teacher can. South African classrooms, especially in townships and rural areas, need people who care. People who can guide, listen, and understand what's really going on. AI can help teachers, sure, but it can never replace the heart of a good teacher. Number 2, social work and counseling. Social workers deal with real-life struggles, trauma, grief, broken homes, addiction, violence. That's not something a chatbot can understand. In South Africa, many people are facing deep and difficult challenges. We need more social workers, youth mentors, and mental health supporters. These jobs need presence. They need someone who can sit with you, feel with you, and help you move forward. Only a real person can do that. Number 3, skilled trades and hands-on work. I'm talking about electricians, plumbers, diesel mechanics, and builders. AI can maybe help with designs or planning, but it can't fix a leaking pipe. It can't replace a part in your car or install wiring in a new home. If you are good with your hands and you like real work, there's job security here. And the best part is that you don't need a degree. TVET colleges offer courses in all of these, and the demand is growing. Number 4, sales and relationship-based jobs. Let me ask you something. Would you buy a house from a robot or trust a machine to plan your retirement? AI can give you information, absolutely, but when it comes to building trust, closing deals, or helping people feel safe, that's human work. In industries like finance, real estate, or business services, people still want to speak to a real person. If you know how to build trust, solve problems, and listen, you'll always be needed in these kind of roles. At number 5, we have creative direction and storytelling. Yes, AI can write blog posts, create images, even make music, but it doesn't know what moves people. It doesn't understand South African culture, slang, or emotion. It can't tell a story that touches someone from Soweto or the Eastern Cape. If you are a writer, designer, content creator, or filmmaker, don't worry. Your creativity is still valuable. Just learn how to use AI tools to make your work faster, but keep your voice and your message real. That's how you stay ahead. The biggest shift for me came when I stopped seeing AI as the enemy and started using it as a tool. When you combine your human skills with smart tools, you become more powerful. You don't need to fear the future, you just need to get ready for it. If you want a job that's future-proof, look into these jobs: education, social work, skilled trades, sales roles that need trust, creative work with real human stories. These careers need feelings, they need connection, they need you. Most of them don't need a degree to start, just training, effort, and the will to grow. If this video helped you feel less stressed about AI and your career, hit the like button. Drop a comment with the job you are thinking of going into, and share this video with someone else who's worried about their future. Make sure you're subscribed because we drop weekly videos to help you grow, show up, and get hired. My name is Ellek, and this is 360 Careers, helping you grow, show up, and get hired. Let's go.